Hello and welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss about new IO, which is an alternative solution to Java.io, which we seen in the last lecture. So let us start. So new IO is a feature which is available in Java, which allows an alternative solution to Java.io. Whatever the functionalities are present in the IO package, it is also present in the new IO package. So it is a much more advanced solutions for the particular file operations. So we will see in the practical how this new file IO will have effects. Now let us see some more points about new IO. So new IO is present in the package NIO package, and in that particular package, all the new classes and interfaces are present. And now let us discuss some more features about file IO, new IO. So the channels, buffers, files, and paths are the new features which are available in the new IO. So these features we will not go through each and every feature, but we will go through the paths and files in feature in the particular programming examples. So we will go to now. Let us see the programming examples based on the new IO. Now let us discuss about a program based on new IO, which is the enhanced version of IO, non-blocking IO. So let us discuss about it. So here in this program, I have a file copying mechanism. So I will copy a file from a particular destination to source to a destination. Sorry, and in this I will use the new IO feature. So let us start this program. So here you can see I have different path objects for source and destination, and path will be pointing to the particular file. So the syntax you can see paths dot get of folder name comma file name. So similar to the syntax, you have to declare the paths. So both the paths, once you are done, then you can copy the files using the copy method. So here you can see along with that I am passing the replace parameter, so that the files if exists then it should replace the contents of the file, and I am catching the exception. So now let us see the output of this program. So here you can see the message is printed. Now let us see the file. So here you can see in the previous lecture, if you watch it carefully, then you will notice that this is a message which I put into the particular file. So the same output has been came copied back into the new file. So that's it about output of this program. So now I will see another program based on the new IO. Now let us see a program based on new IO in which I will be creating a new file. So let us see this program. So here is the program. So paths I have declared, path is declared, and the way object it is passing out. Example.txt is the particular file name, and I will be printing out the other details about the particular file name and all. And after that I am having a try block. So in the try I will write the create new file method in the files class. So files dot create new file, I will call and pass in the particular object of path object, and it will be creating the particular file. So now let us see the output of this program. So here you can see the output has came successfully. Now wait for a minute, wait for a second, I will open the particular file. I have opened the file, and now you can see there is nothing in the file. So there is no the file has been created successfully. Now let us go back to our function program. So here we can see the same program. Now let us try to run it again. So here you can see an exception will be thrown because this create file method will be based on the it will replace the it will not replace the existing file. It will create try to create a new file in the particular directory, but if there is an already existing file, then it will throw that particular exception. So that's it about this program. So now let us go and see another program based on new IO. Now let us see another program based on new IO. In this flow of program, I will write the particular data into the file. So that is the goal of this program. So now let us start the program. So here you can see I have declared a path object pointing to the path of the particular folder out and in the particular file name, and that will be pointing. Now let us see the try and catch block. So the try block I have declared using the method of files dot write string method, and in that I am passing the path object. Along with that I am declaring a text block, so it can take any string. We can use text blocks wherever a string can be passed. So I am using the text block syntax so that I can pass in multiple lines of command, multiple lines of string at one place. So I am passing the multiple lines at the one place. So like this we can use the string text block syntax, and after that I am printing the message, and then I am catching the exceptions. Now let us see the run the program. So here you can see the message has been printed. Now let us see the output file. So here you can see last class this file was empty. Now we have added some data into the file. So the data is came into the file. So that's it about output of this program. So in this lecture we have seen about the new IO and explored more methods of the new IO and how we can create a copy file and a create file, and we can write into a file. All the methods we have seen using the new IO. So thank you for watching this lecture. I will be back with the next lecture. Thank you.